Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita's Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the banks of natural habitat, that is biosphere reserves. Okay, India has 18 biosphere reserves. So today in this video, we are going to cover the complete details about all these 18 biosphere reserves. Okay, without wasting our time, let me start the video. Biosphere reserve is area which is used to protect larger areas of natural habitat, and it also includes one or more national parks or preserves and along with buffer zones and that are open to some economic use. And the protection is guaranteed not only to the flora and fauna in biospheres but also to the human communities who inhabit these regions and their ways of life. Okay, and here are some important points regarding biosphere reserves. And there are 18 biosphere reserves in India, and of these 11 are part of World Network of Biosphere. And the first biosphere reserve is Nilagiri Biosphere, and the largest biosphere reserve is Gulf of Mannar, and the smallest is Panna. Okay, these are all the 18 biosphere reserves in India. Okay, let us look at them by partitioning this map into two parts: northern plains, northern Indian biosphere reserves, and south Indian biosphere reserves. Okay, and yes, these are the North Indian biosphere reserves, and this is Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, which is located in Himachal Pradesh, and Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is located in Uttarakhand, and Kanchanjunga was located in Sikkim, and Dihang Dibang, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh, and Dibru Sikhova, which is located in Assam, and Manas, it is also located in Assam, and Nokrek, which is located in Meghalaya, and Panna and Pachmarhi is located in Madhya Pradesh, and Ran of Kutch is located in Gujarat, and then Amarkantak was located in Chhattisgarh, and Simplipal, which is located in Orissa, and Sundarban. The Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, which is in Sundarban Delta, that is West Bengal. And yes, look into the southern biosphere reserves of India: Seshachalam in Andhra Pradesh, and Nilagiri, which is partly in Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, and Agastya Malai, which is located in Kerala, and Gulf of Mannar is located in Tamil Nadu, and Andaman and Nicobar, the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve is located in Andaman and Nicobar. And this is all about the 18 biosphere reserves in India. And okay, now let us look into the brief details about all these 18 biosphere reserves. Yes, here are the few details about all the biosphere reserves, and the first one is Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve, and which is located in parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka, and climate is annual rainfall 500 millimeters to 7,000 meters, and the temperature was 0 to 41 degrees centigrade, and flora was moist evergreen, semi evergreen, thorn, and savanna, woodland, shola, and grassland, etc. And this is all about the fauna. And the Nanda, second biosphere reserve is Nanda Devi, and which is located in Uttarakhand, and the river near Nanda Devi was Rishiganga, and the forest type is mixed and subalpine. Okay, and endemic flora was Salep orchid, silverweed, and fairy candelabra, and fairy primrose. And fauna is endemic fauna is Himalayan thar, brown bear, etc. And our third biosphere reserve is Nokrek, which is located in Meghalaya and the part of Garo Hills. And the rivers near Norker is Ganol, Daring, and Simsang. And yes, it is located in high temperature, and rain is also available. And the flora is evergreen and semi-evergreen deciduous forest. And the flora, endemic flora are grand rasmala, and lali, and champaka, wild lemon, etc. And endemic fauna is stump-tailed macaw, and pig-tailed macaw, giant flying squirrel, etc. And our fourth one is Great Nicobar, which is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the climate is tropical, and the flora is tropical and subtropical moist broad-leafed forest, and the endemic flora is screw pine, nipa palm, etc. And fauna is crab-eating macaw, Nicobar megapod, giant rubber crab, etc. And our fourth one, and the next one is Gulf of Mannar, which is located in Tamil Nadu and Indian part of Gulf of Mannar. And the ecosystem type was tropical dry broadleaf forest, and the endemic flora is like morning glory and jatropha, halophila grass, etc. And the fauna also sea cow, sea anemone, and sea fans, etc. And our next one is Manas. Manas Biosphere Reserve is located in Assam near the river Manas Beki, and the climate is tropical monsoon, and the flora is the monsoon forest of Manas lies in the Brahmaputra Valley, semi evergreen forest ecoregion, and the main forest type is semi evergreen forest and mixed moist and dry deciduous forest, etc. And the endemic flora is Siso and white series, etc. And the endemic fauna is pigeon hawk and golden lugger, Assam roof turtle, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, and it is located in West Bengal and near the river Meghna. And the climate is tropical monsoon, and the forest type is tidal swamp forest, saline water type mixed, and forest brackish water type and mixed forest, etc. And endemic flora is Sundari and Pasur Napa, and yes, fauna Bengal tiger, which is very important animal in Sundarban Delta, and Bengal monitor lizard and salvator lizard, etc. And Gangetic dolphin, which is the freshwater dolphin, which is in the river Ganga, and estuary crocodile and river terrapine, etc. are also famous there. And Simplipal, which is located in Odisha and near the rivers Budbanga and Palpala Bandhan, and etc. And the climate is tropical monsoon, and the flora is northern tropical semi evergreen forest and northern tropical moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous hill forest and high level salt forest and grassland and savanna. And flora is coarse grass endemic. Endemic means which is available in particular area only, okay. And endemic fauna is red breasted falcon and etc. Okay. And our next one is Dibru Saikhova, which is located in Assam and near the rivers Dibru and Brahmaputra. The climate is tropical monsoon, and the endemic flora is Sarpagandhi and orchids, yes. And endemic fauna is white-winged wood duck and hollock gibbon and wild buffalo. And our next biosphere reserve is Dihang Dibang, which is located in Arunachal Pradesh and near the rivers Dihang, Dibang, and their tributaries. And the vegetation type is subtropical broad-leaved, subtropical pine, and etc. And endemic flora is tree fern and begonia and lady slipper orchid. And fauna is endemic fauna like red panda, Himalayan black bear, and green pit viper, takin, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Panchamach, and which is located in Madhya Pradesh near the river Denva. And the flora is moist, the forest type moist deciduous and dry deciduous, and endemic flora is saltree, etc. And fauna is Barasinga and wild buffalo and red jungle fowl, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Kanchanajunga, which is located in Sikkim near the river Tista, and the climate is varies with altitude and aspect. And flora was the forest type is subtropical broad-leaved hilly forest, etc. And the endemic flora is Sikkim Mahonia and Sikkim rhododendron, etc. And the endemic fauna is Tibetan sheep and musk deer, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Agastya Malai, which is located in Kerala and Tamil Nadu and near the river Tambraparani. And the climate is tropical monsoon, and the forest type is thorn, moist deciduous, and semi evergreens. And the endemic flora is Rudraksha tree and black plums and gaub tree, etc. And endemic fauna is lion tailed macaw and slender loris, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Achankamar Amarkantak, which is located in Chhattisgarh and near the rivers Narmada, Johila, and Sone Amanala. And the climate is tropical monsoon, and the forest type is tropical deciduous vegetation. And fauna is tiger, panthers, cheetahs, and black bucks, etc. And our next biosphere reserve is Kutch, which is located in Gujarat near the river Luni, Rupen, and West Banas Range into the area. And the two major ecosystems are Great Ran of Kutch and Little Ran of Kutch. And the flora is mixed scrub, thorn, savanna in JRK, and mangroves, etc. And the fauna is Indian wild ass, greater and lesser flamingos. Okay, and our next one is cold desert in Himachal Pradesh and near the rivers Pine and Chandrabhaga and Spiti. Climate is cold, harsh climate with low mean annual rainfall, creating desert-like condition. And the flora is herbs, shrubs, species, sorry. And the fauna is Tibetan gazelle, red fox, weasel, and etc. And Seshachalam Hills, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, the climate was tropical monsoon, and the forest type is both dry and moist. And endemic flora is red sanders and slender loris, and the fauna is jungle cat, great mouse deer, golden geckos, etc. And finally, our 18th one, Panna. Panna Reserve is in Madhya Pradesh near the Ken River, and the climate is semi-arid to dry. And flora and vegetation type is southern tropical dry deciduous dry, teak forest, and northern tropical dry deciduous mixed forest, etc. And the Panna represents the northern boundary of the natural distribution of teak and eastern limit of teak Kardhai mixed forest. And the fauna is tiger, chinkara, tree shrew, long snouted crocodile, mugger, and links the eastern and western wildlife population of Vindhyan ranges. And yes, this is all about biosphere reserves in India. Hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, do like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting educational videos like this. Thank you.